Hello students, you are studying the chapter 12, 13 surface area and volume of solid figure, combination of the solid figure. How will you study? It is a very common chapter. Combination of the solid figures with the help of example means a combination of the two things. Hemispherical and this like this cylinder is combined. So you are getting this bottle. Like this anything you will get. So combination of the figures you can get when there will be a cone. There will be a cone will be there like this. When you will get a cone is mounted on this. Mounted on means like this. Then cylinder and the cone you will get. So temples are like this. Capsules, medicine capsules, you are seeing that there are two hemispherical bowls cover this. So that's combination we will study here. Some examples we'll see. Example number 1. Rashid got a playing top. Playing top that you know lattu, that is, which is moving. Lattu is there as is a birthday party. In the this is a figure given, and you can get example number 1. There is a cone. What is this cone surmounted by a hemisphere? Surmounted by means there is a surmounted by. Surmounted by means it is on the cone. Cone hemisphere is fitted. Means base of the hemisphere and the base of the cone is overlapping. So you are getting there is a colored and then surprisingly had on no color. He wanted to color the whole this toy. So he hemisphere, the entire top is 5 centimeter high. What is the measure is given? There is a 5 centimeter high. It is given. And one more thing is given. There is a diameter of the toy. This toy's diameter is given 3.5 centimeter. It is the question. Pi is given 22/7. What will be the first? You don't put the value. You want to paint. What is the meaning of this? Paint means on the top both the bases are inside. These bases will be not colored. So what will you get? It will be only outer surface of this hemisphere and this. So you want to color. There is a curved surface area. Area for color. Area for color is equal to CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cone. Both the curved surface areas will be covered. Curved surface area, CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. R is given 3.5/2. Then height of the hemisphere is also 3.5. Height of the hemisphere is the radius. So what is the height of the cone? Height of the cone will be height of the hemisphere, that is the radius. So height of the cone will be 5 minus 3.5. 5 minus 3.5, then 1.5. What are you getting? 1.5 meter is the height of the cone. But how will you complete this? CSA of the cone. CSA of the cone and CSA of the hemisphere is very important. So 3.5 diameter is given. 3.5/2 is this radius. 3.5/2. So you subtract it. 5 minus 3.5/2. You get 5 minus 2 1 ja 2, 7 ja 14, 2 5 ja 10. So you are getting 2.5 and 4 minus 3.25. 3.25 is the height of this cone, this part. This is 3.25. And L is very important. Pi r L. What is the 2 pi r? Pi r common. 2r plus L. You will put the value here. 22/7. Radius is 3.5/2. Slant height will be by h square plus r square. What will you get? H square means 3.25 square plus here 1.75 square. That will solve, and put this value here. R L pi, you will get the area for cover. Example number 2. Example number 2 you see. So I hope you can do the calculation part is given here. Example number 2 is given. The decorative block is there. One block is there on which there is a wooden block is given like this. You are seeing there is a wooden block. What is this? There is a one wooden block like this, it is given, cube. And this block is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is there? A hemisphere like this. So you are getting this. It is given in the figure. The ball is, here is the top like this. Anything you can see, that is the ball. On this there is a hemisphere. On this there is a hemisphere. Like this. There is a hemisphere is on the top. Wooden block. Hemisphere means there is some relation given. The base of the block is a cube of age 5 centimeter. It is given 5 centimeter cube. And the base of the block is a hemisphere fixed on the top of the diameter 4.2. Its diameter is given. Diameter is given 4.2 meter. What is the radius? 4.2 by 2, 2.1 centimeter. What is this? 2.1 centimeter is the radius of hemisphere. Your question is, find the total surface area of the block. Total surface area of the block is TSA you want. TSA means 6A square. TSA of cube, but plus CSA of hemisphere minus what will be subtracted. If you are putting anything on this, then this part is covering this. How much part of this surface, suppose it is a surface of the cube, when you are putting this, it means this part is covered by the base of the hemisphere. So this will be subtracted. What is area of base? That is called 6A square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square. Area of the base of hemisphere is minus pi r square. So both combined formula you are getting 6A square plus pi r square. It is the TSA of the solid. Put the value. A is given 5, R is given 2.1, pi is given 22 by 7. You can put the values and get the result. Very simply you can get the result. Put the values and get the result. Very simple. When you put these values, combined formula, what is your calculation in the 10th standard? You form the combined formula and then get the solution. Example number 3. What is the example 3 given? In the example 3 it is given, there is a one rocket. What is given? There is a one rocket, wooden rocket. Rocket, you know, in the Deepavali, there is a rocket bomb like this, and it is a one cylindrical base. It is your cylindrical base. Okay, this rocket you are painting. You want to paint it with the different colors. The height of the rocket is 26 centimeter. It is given 26 centimeter, but it is combined by cone and cylinder. Height of the entire is 26 centimeter and part is 6 centimeter. Conical part height is alone given. It is given 6 centimeter. And the base of the conical portion is diameter 5 centimeter. Base of the conical portion is given how much? 5 centimeter diameter. And the 3 centimeter cylindrical part has 3 centimeter. It is a diameter 3 centimeter. It is a diameter 5 centimeter. And if the conical portion is painted by orange, you want to paint this part orange. Conical portion is orange, base, and cylindrical portion is yellow. This portion you want to put the yellow. So the orange color is You want to know orange color, very simple. Orange color is this and the cylindrical portion is the yellow color. Find the area of the rocket here. Very simple. What will you see? First of all, you want to find out the conical portion, but there is a one part like this. There is a one part covering this. What is the meaning of this? It means the top of the cylinder is covering this part which will be not painted on the base of a cone. It will be not painted. So for orange you will calculate CSA of for orange. First you find out radius of cylinder and the radius of cone. Radius of cone is 5/2, radius of cylinder is 3/2. Height of the cylinder is 26 minus 6, 20 centimeter. Height of the cone is equal to 6 centimeter, it is given. But you want slant height L. L is equal to under root height of cone square plus radius of the cone square. That is under root 6 square plus radius of the cone 3, that is the 5/2. Radius of the cone is 5/2 square. You will find the slant height L, which is very important because curved surface area and area of the base, which is hollow. Area of the area for orange is equal to CSA of cone plus base of the cone. CSA of cone is pi r l. Pi r l, capital R I have taken for the cone. Capital R I have taken, R of the cone. Small r I have taken for cylinder. So pi r l plus pi, because base is this and base is a form of like this. This portion will be orange. It is a ring. A ring area is pi capital R square minus small r square. What is the capital R? Capital R is 5/2, small r is 3/2. Circle of the bigger diameter minus top, this portion will be not painted, in which the cylinder is touching. So you will get pi r l plus pi radius, that is 5/2 square minus 3/2 square. You will get, and you solve the area for orange. Area for yellow, this is the CSA of what? CSA of cylinder plus one base. One base, why? Because one base is overlapping that some part of the cone base, and it is like this. So top of the cylinder and this part of the cone will be not painted. So that's why it will be 2 pi small r h. 2 pi small r h plus 2 pi r square. Radius small is the, because this radius is small, I have taken. Small r is for the cone and cylinder, and capital R is for the cone. So pi r, 2 pi r, 2 will be not there. Why it not there? One base only you want. So pi r common, 2h plus r. This h is for the cylinder. Which cylinder? 26 is the total height, 26 minus 6. Easily you can do this. So very simple question is this, and by this you solve the exercise which is given. Example number 4 is given here. Example number 4. What is the example 4 given? There is a bird bath. What is given? Bird bath. There is a bowl is kept on a tripod. There is a 3 legs stand, and the dustbin in the Nagarpalika putting. Then there is a stand, and on the stand there is a drum, and here at the place of drum, this is given. It is a example 4. So you are getting the example 4. There is a leg. One leg is here and one leg is here. It is a stand on which there is a bowl for the bird bath, water, and it is hollow. There is a water in this. Okay. So you want, there is a 30 centimeter, example number 4. Example number 4 is this. So very easy. Bird bath means like a cylinder. There is a 3 stand, 1, 2, 3, and on this there is a 1 bowl. Other thing is hollow. So what is the, your question is given in the shape of cylinder with a hemispherical depression. Depression means this cut. The height of the cylinder is 1.45. 1.45 centimeter meter, and radius is centimeter, 30 centimeter. It is a 30 centimeter radius is given. Pi is given 22/7. Your question is find the surface area of the bird bath. Bird bath is only this portion, no cylinder, nothing. So what is the height? It is useless. So what is the no, man is find the bird bath in the garden, and then the height of the cylinder is this, and the radius. Find the surface area, total surface area. Total surface area means CSA of this plus CSA of, because it is open. It is a open portion. There is only dotted line. It is open portion. So this area and this area you want. So TSA is equal to CSA of cylinder. Why CSA? Because it is open in the bottom and top only the hemisphere, plus CSA of hemisphere. So what is the CSA of cylinder? 2 pi RH. H is given this, R is given this. R is given 30 centimeter. It is cylinder and the hemisphere both. It is a 0.3 meter. In the meter you will write in 0.3. Or you convert this meter into centimeter, plus 2 pi r square. It is the hemispherical CSA. So 2 pi r common, h plus r. Here you put the values pi, r and h. You will get your answer in meter square, because I am changing the unit radius in the meter. So that's all for today, and next day I will start the 13.1 exercise. So very carefully, combined formula you make by yourself and then you solve. Thanks for today.